going to discuss editing in Word, chapter number 3 of your book. In previous class we have discussed what is word processing. For creating document we are using word processing, features of the word, parts of the word window, and editing text little bit. Now today we are going to focus on the editing text, inserting text, inserting a blank line, inserting blank page, selecting text, deleting text, copying text, and moving text. Today basically we are going to focus on the how to insert the text, line, page, select text, copying text, deleting text, and moving text. Let's start with the editing text. What is the meaning of editing? As we have discussed in our previous class also, making changes in an existing document is called editing. If you have written a document or create a document earlier, if you do some changes or perform some changes in your existing document, that is called editing. Like you delete some text from the document or file, or you write some extra text in your document or file, that is called editing. It involves deleting a line, inserting a page, copying or moving a text. All these parts come under the inserting text, inserting blank line, page, selecting text, deleting text, copying text, and moving text will come under the editing or editing text. Now let's start. I have written a paragraph, 3 paragraphs in front of you. Now I want to write few more lines after the first paragraph. Just for example, see, I have written a 3 paragraph after the first paragraph. Now you can see here, if you want to delete this paragraph, then that paragraph get deleted after the first paragraph. Again you want to delete that paragraph, then you have to delete by selecting this. Just select the paragraph which you want to delete from your existing document. That paragraph get deleted from your text or document. Now first we are going to discuss inserting text. Inserting text, then inserting blank line. As I have told you how to insert a text, just put the mouse cursor there where you want to add the text and start typing. I have put the mouse cursor there and start typing. In this way you can add text in between the old text, and old text is shifted toward the below or toward the right side of as you type. Now how to insert a blank line? To insert a blank line between two existing lines, place the cursor. I want to insert a blank line after the first line. Put the mouse cursor there. Place the cursor at the end of the line after which you want to insert a blank line. Then after that press enter key. You can see here blank line get inserted in your paragraph. In the same way, if you want to insert a blank line after the second line, put a mouse cursor there and press enter key from the keyboard. A blank line get inserted in your paragraph. If you want to insert one more blank line, then again press enter key. 2 blank line get inserted in your paragraph. Now how to insert a blank page? Next option we are going to discuss inserting a blank page. We have discussed earlier also blank line. Now we are going to discuss how to insert a blank page. To insert a blank page in your after your first paragraph or after first line of the page, there are few steps you have to follow to insert a blank page in your document. Click on the insert tab. Click on blank page option. From the pages group, you can see here number of groups are given over there. Click on the insert tab on the ribbon. Click on the blank page from the pages group. You can see here a blank page get inserted after the first line. Rest of the data get shifted in the new page. Again I will tell you, I want to insert. Now look at here, this is our original document. Now I want to insert a new blank page after the first paragraph. Put the mouse after the Then click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Choose option Blank Page from the page group. A blank page gets inserted after the first paragraph. You can see here, after the first page, blank page gets inserted and rest of the data gets shifted to the third page of the document. I think all of you clear how to insert a blank page in your document. Next topic of this is selecting text. Now we have discussed how to edit the text, how to insert the text, how to insert a blank line and how to insert a blank page. Now we are going to discuss how to select the text. For selecting text, just put the cursor, mouse cursor before the paragraph and drag the mouse till where you want to select your paragraph or your document. In this way, you can select your data. This is a way to select the paragraph with the help of mouse. There are two ways to select the data. One with the help of using mouse, another way to select the data using a keyboard. First, we are going to discuss select the text with the help of mouse. Again, I will tell you. I have written a paragraph. If you want to select just a specific word, double click on that word. That word gets selected from the document. If you select a specific word from the document, just double click on that word. That word gets selected from the paragraph. If you want to select a line, just a line, click in front of the line, keeping the mouse pointer in the left margin. In this way, just click in the front of the line. That is the front of the line. Just select the line. Click in the front of the line, keeping the mouse pointer in the left margin. In this way, you can select your line from your paragraph. Again, I will tell you how to select a line using a mouse. Click in the front of the line, keeping the mouse pointer. Click in the front of the line, keep the mouse pointer in the left margin. The mouse pointer in the left margin, a line gets selected from the paragraph. How to select the paragraph by using mouse? Click the left mouse button thrice anywhere in the paragraph. That paragraph gets selected by clicking 3 times in the paragraph. Anywhere in the paragraph, a paragraph gets selected. If you want to select a paragraph, you have to thrice click in anywhere in the paragraph, then paragraph gets selected. If you want to select a paragraph, thrice click inside the paragraph. If you want to select a word, double click on that word, the word gets selected. If you want to select a line, just put the mouse cursor, left mouse button, mouse cursor in the front of the line, keep the mouse pointer in the left margin. A line gets selected. For the paragraph, you have to thrice click anywhere in the paragraph. A sentence. Now, how to select a sentence? Click the left mouse button on the sentence while holding the control key. While holding the control key, click the left mouse button. Click the left mouse button on the sentence while holding the control key. That sentence gets selected from the paragraph. If you want to select again I am telling you word, double click on that word. The word gets selected. You want to select a line, put the mouse pointer in the front of the line, keeping the mouse pointer left to the in the left margin. A line gets selected. Paragraph, thrice click on the paragraph. Anywhere in the paragraph, a paragraph gets selected. In this way, sentence, hold the control key. While holding the control key, click the left mouse button on the sentence. I think all of you clear how to select a word, how to select select a line, how to select a paragraph, and how to select a sentence with the help of mouse. Now we are going to discuss how to select the word or paragraph or sentence with the help of keyboard. A letter toward the right to the cursor. If you want to select a word, press shift key. I want to select the U word from there. Just press shift key and move the right arrow key toward the right. Move, U word get selected from the paragraph. To select a word, just press shift key. If you want to select the entire paragraph, then press shift key and use downward arrow key to select the entire paragraph. I think all of you clear how to select a word. Again I will tell you. Just put the mouse pointer there where you want to select the word or paragraph. Press shift key, use right arrow key. That word gets selected. A letter toward the right of the cursor, a word gets selected. A letter toward the left of the cursor, if you want to select that word to the left of the cursor, shift key, then use left arrow key. A word toward the right of the cursor, a word toward the right of the cursor, control plus shift arrow key, control plus shift arrow key. Which arrow key? Right arrow key. That word gets selected. A word toward the left of the cursor. A word toward the left of the cursor. Control, shift key and left arrow key. That word gets selected. I think all of you clear how to select a word toward the right of the cursor, left of the cursor, a word toward the right of the cursor and left of the cursor by using keyboard, by using the keyboard. Now we are going to discuss how to delete the text. For deleting the text means to remove the data from your existing document is called deleting text. If we have written a 3 paragraph, I want to show just 2 paragraphs. For that we have to use delete key. For deleting the data, we are using 2 keys, backspace key and delete key, to delete the text from the document.